So when clients come to me and they let me know that they are going to have to offer a contingent offer, what does that mean?
In the lending world, a contingent offer is basically your financing is contingent / dependent on the sale of your current property. So most of the times people will sell their property and need that equity to then buy the next property. So we write a contingent offer. Basically, the sale of your house has to go through in order for the purchase of your new house to go through.
Exactly. So contingent offer means you need to sell something to buy something else.
It still makes you competitive in the market if you've got the right team. So reach out if you have any further questions about that.